In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Rithmic Trader Pro. So this is actually quite simple. So the first thing you want to do, you want to of course open it up, and then you have a bunch of different options. Here on the left hand side in the launch menu, you're going to see your order book. Now you can find this inside over here on the launch menu, or if you click on file, you'll be able to see the order book over here as well, as you can see. So you can just click on that, you can open this up, and then over here the first thing it's going to ask you for is the symbol. I'm going to of course type in, for example, BTC. It's going to find it, and you can just click on that, and over here it's going to basically select whatever token you selected. Then you have to select your account. I'm going to select this demo one over here like this, and then you can of course set your quantity. So for example, I'm going to do 1 over here, and then here you have a bunch of different options. You can see the options for basically what you want to do with this, etc. So there's a bunch of things you can set, and then of course after you're ready to actually start trading, you can click on buy market over here. And right now exchange is not available, of course, because of the time, because of the current time. But of course, if it's available, it will initiate your trade. So that's the first way. And then the second one is if you go to trade up here, you can just go ahead and click on place order. And then you can go ahead, select your account, then you can select your exchange, you can go ahead, select the duration, you can set if you want to buy or sell short, sell short, exempt, you can select the quantity, and then the symbol over here, so it can be whatever. I'm going to do BTC again. Of course, you have to actually know the symbol to be able to do this. Price type, I'm going to do market, and then you can do place order, and it's going to basically place your order, as you can see over here. Down at the bottom, it now says that. And if you go to your order history, it's also, of course, going to show pretty much anything that you actually did. So I'm going to click OK over here, and it should actually look for that. There we go. And of course, it's going to display after a few seconds when some orders are going to be filled on your account. Okay, so that's how this works. That's how the trading works. Of course, you likely are going to open up some charts as well. And then inside the chart, you can use that for the analysis and then go ahead and trade whenever you are ready. Now, that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.